its programming language is
So in
simple
this
and
part, we have to cover need for data science. What is the data science? Understanding what is data science, machine learning, artificial intelligence. Then your what is Python? Feature of Python, Python application. Then your learning path, how you move to your career in Python, and why the basically this particular Python is used for the data science. The first is what earlier we when we store the information, this information we store in the four format. One is unstructured or semi-structured data. Unstructured means the information like when you are taking a picture in a mobile phone, you are taking a
yes,
picture and you are taking what at a time you have taken like 5 to 6 or 7 records at a time. At a time we are taking the 7 or 8 photo at a time. That is called as the your
yes,
unstructured data. Semi structure, that normally we are storing the information in a word format. That is a semi structure word, notepad, wordpad. So in that part we are using semi structure. So that information we are storing in a data warehouse. Previously, for managing this information, we are using traditional business intelligence tool, and this information we represent in a particular report format. But now what happened?
yes.
These are the information is now stored by using of different database algorithm,
Structure.
structure and unstructured data that we are storing in a Hadoop database. We are using different scientific discovery tool. So these are the various tools, like we are using Oracle database, we are using SQL Server database. So these are the various format of database we are using for the data science part. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now I segregate this data science in two parts. One is your data, another is science. Any information or valid information that you can store it, you can retrieve it, you can process it, or that valid information is called as the data. Data means the fact that is recorded.
Yes,
Like
sir.
when there is a raining, you store the rain in a millimeter format. When you purchase any kind of vegetable, the vegetable has purchased in the form of kilogram. Then
Yes, sir.
extracting this information in a predefined manner. So that is called as your science. Okay, you are also a
Yes,
data
sir.
scientist, your mother is also a data scientist, father is also a data scientist. In daily to daily life we are also data scientists. You know that when your data pack is going to over, okay, in your laptop, okay,
Yes,
and
sir.
your mother is know when your ration will be over in your home. Okay, before that mother is ordering that you have to purchase the daily rations or monthly rations. They analyzing that what is happened. Okay, so when there is a
Yes, sir.
lockdown and shutdown is there for the 2 days in the Friday and Sunday, so people are knowing that what is the 2 day requirement, so they purchase that
Yeah.
item before that when your Friday and Saturday has come, Saturday and Sunday has come. So that
Yes.
analysis, you can say it is called as the a methodology where you can retrieve this information. So that is called as the what data scientist part.
Data scientist.
Yeah.
Yes. Yes.
Now it is a situation. Usually I am coming to I finish my work and I going to my home. So when I going to my home, I have found the two paths. One is a shorter path, another is a national highway. If I take the national highway, it will take the 20-minute late than the shorter path.
Shorter.
Usually
Yeah.
that I have taken my shortest route to move to my home.
Yes, sir.
But one day I
Yes.
find there is a huge traffic. Then I'm analyzing why this traffic. This traffic for what? This traffic for there is an accident is there. Okay, and I found out
Yes, sir.
as I am using bike, then I will finding the is there any what space is available to go ahead.
Yeah.
So I am
Yes, sir.
searching for that. So when I'm analyzing, I see there is a lot of cars are there, lot of bikes are present. The bike has a different color, different company. Cars are present, the car belongs to the different company, and they are having different colors. Okay, but
Yes, sir.
that color of the bike, color of the car is not required for me. Okay, so which part is required? It is required whether the space is available to go ahead. I
Yeah.
found no, there is no space is available. So I'm analyzing that. Then I am taking the national
Another
highway.
way.
So
Yes.
in the span of timing, I'm analyzing what to do, whether I have to move ahead or whether I have to stop there. So that is
Yes,
a
sir.
scientifically methodology that I am analyzing. Size of the car is not required. Color of the car is not required. So that process is called as the data cleaning. Data cleaning refers to what? Those are the unnecessary data is there. You have to remove it. It is not required for you.
Yes, sir.
When you cut
Yes.
the vegetable, okay, then the unnecessary what? The unnecessary part you are
Uh-huh.
removed. You are not taken the
Yes, sir.
seed. Okay, when you are using pumpkin, okay,
Yeah.
for preparing like dal. Okay, so at that timing we remove
We
that
remove all the unnecessary
seeds.
part.
Okay, when you are
Yes, sir.
brinjal, in the case of brinjal we are not separate the seed. The seed is very small, so we take it.
Yeah.
Okay, so we analyze that which part is required for us and which part is not required for us. When you take the
Yes, sir.
what cabbage, the cabbage leaves were just throwing out. Okay, leaf cabbage.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so these are the process is called other data cleaning. But now what happened when I moved to my office, then the path that I have searching to which one is the good path. In that cases, I found the national highway is a good path for me, and
Yes, sir.
in that time I act as a data scientist. So in the daily life also we are one of the data scientists. Okay,
Yes, sir.
so we analyzing our information, we are analyzing our what when the things is going to over, when my balance
Yeah.
is going to over, and when my
We
daily data
present
pack is
according
going
to
to
that.
over. Okay,
Yes, sir.
so data science is a analogy. It define the problem, data collection,
Data collection.
exploring the analysis, and you go for the solution. First you have to define the problem. Okay.
ହ୍ୟାଲୋ
କୁହ।
ନାଇଁ ମଝିରେ ଶୁଭା ଯାଉନଥିଲା ମ୍ୟୁଟ୍ ହେଇଯାଇଥିଲା ବୋଧେ ଆପଣଙ୍କର।
ଓ ମୋ କଥା ଶୁଭା ଯାଉନଥିଲା?
ହଁ ମାନେ ଏବେ 2 ସେକେଣ୍ଡ ପାଇଁ ହେଲା ତାପରେ ଠିକ
ଓକେ
ଅଛି।
ଓକେ। So this is
କଣ୍ଟିନ୍ୟୁ।
for the data science we're using first define your problem. Suppose I'm giving you tags that you have to create a database for the student. Then first you have to
Yes, sir.
analyze the information. Means first you have to analyze uh, which information you have to store for a student management database. For student management database
Yeah.
you have to go for
Name,
like
roll number.
student name, student address, contact number,
Yeah.
parent contact number. So these are the
Yeah.
information is required for a student.
Yes, sir.
Then you have to collect the information, exploring and analyzing the data. I'm giving you tags that you have to
Yes.
assign a project to the student, to the engineering student, then you have to find out
Yes, sir.
who are the students those are eligible for doing the project. First year student has not eligible to doing the project, so it may be a fourth year student or third year student. So you have to then again gathering the
Yes, sir.
information who those are the
Yeah.
student are belongs to the third year or fourth year. You assign the project then, okay, and then you have to
Yes, sir.
find out the solution for any database, okay.
Yes, sir.
Data life cycle. So when you are working with a data, so this data is working with this kind of data life cycle. One is your business requirement,
Business
then
requirement.
the what deployment, data acquisition, data
Yes,
processing,
sir.
data exploration, data modeling, and
Ma-
deployment.
Yes, sir.
So what is your business requirement? Understand the problem. Huh?
And
I need to know. Understand the problem, identify the central objective, identify the variable
yes,
needs to
sir.
be predicted. So when you are working
Yes,
with
sir.
a business database management system, first you have to understand your problem. What is your problem? uh, then identify the central objective. When you are asking a problem to
Yes, sir.
every person, then they have telling lot of problems, so it is not possible for giving all the solution to all the problems. So you have to give a common
Yes, sir.
solution for them, okay. When there is a
Yeah.
shutdown and lockdown is there, a lot of people is affected. If it is 2 days, okay, 7 days, okay, 14 days is okay, but when it is increased, it is like unbearable for everybody, okay.
Yes,
Like
sir.
impacted to the
Yes.
business, it is impacted to the lot of jobs, okay. But
Yes, sir.
government has not unlocked all the thing at once, sir. Okay, they are analyzing the situation, and phase by phase they are giving some kind of
Yeah.
relaxation in the different parts, okay.
Yes, sir.
Similar way, in a business requirement also, when you are gathering the information from a customer or stakeholder, that is not possible for a single person. They have to give all the kind of solution for each problem, okay. The first you have to
Yes.
understand the problem, identify the central objective, identify the variable that needs to be predicted, which variable is required. Variable
Yes.
is what? For storing the information, you require a variable, okay. The variable value is
Yes, sir.
changes, like when you are going to your
Yeah.
college, in your college, that seat is allocated to you. So that is sorry, seat is maybe it is fixed for the some year, or for the first year, second year. When you are going to a bus or when you are going to a theater, the seat that is allocated to you, it is fixed for the particular period of timing.
Yes.
Suppose your movie show is 3 to 5, so for 3 to 5
On
the
that
seat is
time,
booked for you, okay.
yeah.
And after
Yes,
3
sir.
to 5, suppose your seat has given to the 10, so that is allocated to the other person, okay.
Yes.
So first you have to understand the problem, identify the central objective, then identify the
Yes.
variable need to be predicted, which variable
Predicted.
you want to store, okay. Then comes to the data acquisition. Data acquisition is what data I need for my project, okay, and what are
Yes,
the
sir.
data sources, what data I need for my project. Suppose you are going for do a project, then you have to first find out which is a required data for your project, what are the data
Yes, sir.
sources, from which
So,
source you are getting your information. Suppose I'm asking you that you have to go for design a database for creating a project for online food ordering, okay. Okay, so
yes.
in that cases, where you have to get the resources for developing the app. First of all, you have to contact with the hotels, how
Yes, sir.
in which hotel which food items are available, and which one is the
Yes,
good,
sir.
and which one is a
All
very
the data.
popular item on that particular hotel. So that is, you have to collect the data sources from the different hotel,
Yes, sir.
and how I can obtain the data. So in what is the source you can obtain the data, and what is the most efficient way to store and store this information. So what is the
Yes, sir.
actual way for storing the information, that you have to go for it.
Yes.
Then after collecting a data, then you have to process it. So how to process? Transfer the data into
Transfer
the
into,
desired format. Okay, like
yeah.
you have to store your information in a Word, in a Excel format. But when you are collect the information, which one is the good format for storing the information, that you have to process, or that you have to give.
Yes, sir.
Data cleaning is called as the missing value or corrupted data. Remove the missing value,
Unnecessary
corrupted
data.
data, or remove the unnecessary data which is not required. Okay, so
Yes,
remove
sir.
the unnecessary data which is not required, then transfer the data into a desired format. Missing the data value. Okay, so fast find out. Data cleaning means those are the information is not available, so you have to delete it. Okay, suppose you
Yes,
are
sir.
gathering the information, but the student is not having any kind of educational qualification background, remove it.
Yeah.
Remove the corrupted data, means those are the student are
Yes,
left
sir.
the colleges, it is not required for me, so remove it.
Yeah.
Remove the unnecessary data which is not required for my project, so remove it. Like brother's name, sister's name, for student management database, it is not required. Okay, so remove it,
Yes.
it is not required for me. Data exploration, understand the pattern in the data, retrieve the
The-
useful insight, and form the hypothesis. Data exploration, understand the pattern in the
Yes,
data,
sir.
retrieve the
Yes,
useful
sir.
insight, and form the hypothesis. Data exploration is what? You are getting lot of offers, marketing offers in the occasion of your different festive season. Like India,
Yes,
where
sir.
we are using like Durga Puja, Diwali. So in these two
Yeah.
occasions, lot of bikes and electronic appliances like your mobile phone is having a huge offer. When you open the Flipkart,
Yes, sir.
Amazon, they're having a big billions day. On they declare the big
Yes.
billions day on the occasion of the Durga Puja, Diwali Dhamaka
Yes, sir.
offer. So these are the different offers are available, as because they know that in this two festive season, what is the most demandable
Required
item,
thing.
or people are
Yeah.
mostly what purchase that item in this particular two occasion. One is in
Yeah.
Diwali, people are go for to purchase the golden items, gold. Okay,
Yes.
and in Durga Puja, the people are purchase the electronic device, as well as they purchase what like mobile phones generally.
Yes.
Okay, so that by analyzing that pattern, you have to give a offer on that particular time, so that your business
Yes, sir.
will be thrives. Okay, so that is called as
Yeah.
the form the hypothesis on that. So you have to give what? Give a discount or give a offer that people will
Yeah.
attract that
Attract
purchase that
to
thing.
that
Okay,
product. Yeah.
modeling the information, determine the optimal data feature, the machine learning model. Okay,
Yes, sir.
for the optimal features, create a model that predict the target accurately, then
Yes. Evaluate in test
evaluate
efficiency.
and test the efficiency. Okay, what is the efficiency of your information?
Yes.
So modeling is what? Like when you are going to purchase any kind of mobile phone, and any kind of
Yeah.
dress. So you are going when you are going to the shop, they are having a outlets. Okay, there
Yes,
is a
sir.
images is present, they are wearing dress, there is a good dress is available, you are going to that
Yeah.
particular dress shop. When you are going to the Flipkart, so there a lot of advertisement is there in the front page. So
Lot
from
of
the front
sections
page,
in
okay, so you coming to know that these
the,
are the my dress or good
uh,
dress are available, offers
yeah.
are available. So that is called as the
Yes.
modeling your information.
Yes,
Determine
sir.
optimal data feature for the machine learning model. Create model that predict the target accurately. Evaluate and test the efficiency of the model. Sometimes what happen? Why? What is it is machine learning? When you type a message in your WhatsApp, automatic some predetermined words are coming. Okay, when you
Yes,
are
sir.
purchase the mobile phone beginning, it is not suggesting you any word. So after
Yes,
typing
sir.
or after using it after 1 hour, 1 month and 2 months, you are getting that information.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
you are getting, it is showing you the predicted words over there. Okay, so modeling is like that. It is determine the optimal data feature for the machine learning model. It create a model that predict the target accurately. It
Yes,
evaluate and test the efficiency of the model. Okay, what is the
yes.
efficiency of the model? It is
The
created.
how fast it was.
So that is called as the data modeling. Modeling is the important part for your information. Okay,
Yes, sir.
then after all the thing is over, then you go for the deployment where you install your software permanently. Okay,
Yeah.
and where your all the information has stored, uh, and it is ready to use. That is called as the
Yes.
deployment. Okay,
Last step of
means
the
it is now
process.
ready for the customer uses.
Yeah.
So there is a what concept, or there is a what little bit confusion is there in our mind, like deep learning is what, machine learning
Yes,
is
sir.
what, artificial intelligence is what. So we think
Yes, sir.
that both are same, but these are the three different aspects is present in the what in the data science part. Data science is
Yes, sir.
what? It is a extraction of the knowledge from the data by using different techniques and algorithms.
Yes.
Means people are what, like when you use your YouTube, when you open your YouTube
Yeah.
interface is different. My YouTube interface is different. Your parent YouTube information is different. As
Yes.
if you are what usually listening the Arijit Singh song in YouTube, so always in the fast page it is showing you Arijit Singh
Yeah, it
album.
refers. Yeah.
Okay, and if I usually like to see the Hindi movie or dubbed Telugu movie, so my interface
Yeah.
is showing you that it is
Yes.
suggesting me these are the new or latest Telugu or dubbed movies available. You go
Yes,
for.
sir.
Okay, so how it is possible when you open your YouTube from the beginning? It is showing you
They
the
shows
different part.
from our past
When you use
search.
as a day by day basis, your interface has changed.
Yeah.
It is
Yeah.
judging your pattern of searching, in which
Yes.
time you are opening that file,
Yeah.
and what is your favorite subject, and what is your
Yes.
favorite liking list. So based upon that, it is display the particular part.
Yes.
You know that Netflix is a popular OTT platform in uh, the minimum or fraction of 1 year. Okay, when
Yes, sir.
Netflix has coming to the market, it just becomes a down all the market of Hollywood and Bollywood.
Yes.
Okay, so it
Yes.
in this situation, the directors and the producer are thinking for that they have to go to the OTT platform. Okay,
Yes.
people sitting by their home and they can easily what just watching the movie. Okay,
Yes, sir.
the that is providing you. So OTT, in the OTT this data science part is working what completely. It analyzing person to person activity, in which
Yes,
second
sir.
which thing the person is activated,
Yes.
everything minutely the word it
It
is
goes under artificial
analyzing.
intelligence, so
Okay, so that
machine learning.
uh, it becomes so much popular, means it is showing you that particular information which is
Yes.
required for me for the particular timing. So
Yeah.
data science is the extraction of the knowledge for data by using different technique of algorithm. Artificial intelligence is a technique which enable the machine to mimic the human behavior.
Yes.
Artificial intelligence is telling the machine that you have to analyze the person, what the person is want to do with this the particular device.
Yes.
When you purchase the mobile phone from the beginning, okay, when you purchase the mobile phone as a new, when you type any key, maybe happen that other key is typed. It is happen or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay, suppose you want
Uh,
to type q, maybe W is pressed. When you type to press F, G will press. It is happened for some
Sometimes.
timing. Okay,
Yeah.
like we know that is F, we typing it, but some kind of
Yeah.
unconscious mind where just little bit we're not press the key on the center basis, other key has pressed.
Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah. Sometimes it
so
is.
artificial intelligence minutely judging your fingertips. Okay, where you are going
Yeah.
to touch. Okay, so based upon this, after some time, automatic it is improve its machine capacities. Okay, the
Yes, sir.
machine learning, artificial intelligence is that technique is telling the machine that you have to judge what the human want to do. Machine learning is a
Yes.
subset of all technique which uses the statistical method to enable the machine to improve its experience. Okay, machine learning
Yes,
is a
sir.
subset of that technique. Machine learning is saying that yes, the person is not want to write D, the person want to press F, so by mistakenly the finger is not there, so that the person
Yeah.
is
They detect
using
next.
backspace and remove it. So you have to judge it that finger is applicable to this person. Okay, so automatic
Yes.
it is improving. Okay, like
Yes, sir.
uh, when I write to that okay, bye bye. So okay means so it is
Yeah.
showing you O F O
They
M,
detect.
but
Yeah.
it is analyzing which word I am using what frequently. So it is suggesting you
Yeah.
that word that I am using okay. So it is showing you that part as a okay as a fast priority basis.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Deep learning is a subset of machine learning which make the computation of multi-neutral network feasible. So deep learning means after artificial intelligence is telling the machine learning to improve, then deep
Yeah.
learning store all the information. Okay, by analyzing the artificial intelligence, by knowing the machine learning, deep learning adjusts itself permanently. Okay, so these
Yes.
are the three part is basically present in the data science part. Okay,
Yes, sir.
so Python is what? Python is a general purpose high level programming language. You can use this application
Use
for the
for
desktop application, web app
weather.
application, console app
Yeah.
application, mobile app, machine
Mobile
learning,
app.
internet or IoT application. So everywhere we're using this Python programming language.
Yes, sir.
So these are the popular development in Python: YouTube,
Yeah.
Dropbox, Google,
Sir, what is IoT
Mozilla,
application?
Instagram. It is not like that. Like machine learning and the Python is very new. It is comes in the time of 1990 when the Java is coming to the market. But
Yes,
as
sir.
at that timing, we are not working with the internet. We're not using
Sir,
internet. We're not generating
what is
the
IoT
data.
platform, sir?
Yes.
In previous, there is something IoT. Python is used in IoT application. Means,
Previously we're not using in today's scenario we're using because
yes,
internet of thing is what the internet is available with you, like your mobile phone is the internet of thing. There is a
yeah,
internet is available, smartwatch internet is available. Okay, where in which device your internet is accessible, that is you can say it is internet of thing. Now the Reebok has also launched the shoes which is calculating your calorie, and it is also showing you the map also. Okay, in
yeah,
your vehicle you are using navigation, map navigation,
yeah,
that is the internet of thing. Okay, so these are the
yes,
different part we're using internet of thing application. Okay,
yes, sir.
here we're using like if you see here the top 10 most popular languages we're using here. Okay, so that is,
Yes, sir.
if you see that here the Python is the top one language. After that your Java, your JavaScript, C
JavaScript,
Sharp,
C Sharp, PHP.
PHP, C++, R,
Yes,
Objective
sir.
C, Swift, MATLAB. Okay, so these are the parts we're using. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So it is very straightforward language, very simple and straightforward syntax. Straightforward means you just write the program and get the result.
Yeah.
Just 1 minute.
All the yes, sir.
Very straightforward means when you write a program and you are getting a result immediately. Like if you go for,
Syntax is very simple.
if you want to print anything,
Sir, how can we run Python program? Means which is the best platform for?
okay. Now if I want to print anything, print, okay. So
Yes, sir.
just I write a statement and press the enter, then I uh, get a result here. So there is no compilation step is included. Okay.
Sir, how we can?
Yes, tell me.
Hello.
Hmm.
Yes, sir. In which platform is suitable for running the program? Anaconda or any other one?
You use the Anaconda. Anaconda is so much
Yeah.
popular for the data science part, where all the platform is
Yes.
available. You can download it manually also. That you go for the www.python.org, and from there
Okay.
also you can download the file. Okay,
Yes.
but it is better that you go for the Anaconda. Okay, usually go for the
Yeah.
Anaconda.
Yes, sir.
So it is a case sensitive. It is a object oriented language. Dynamically type means type the language and you are getting a result. We're not using any kind of curly bracket. You have to only give a
Yeah.
space.
Variable.
Use the variable without declaration. There is no requirement to define a variable here. It is
Yes, sir.
interpreted language. Interpreted language means step by step your execution is happened. Okay.
Yeah. Yes, sir.
It emphasize on code readability, automatic memory management is happened. It is dynamically typed. It has
Yes, sir.
large library, predefined library functions are present.
Yeah.
Multi-paradigm program like object orientation it can support, procedural.
Procedural.
With the Python interactive interpreter, it is easy to check the Python commands. It is platform independent, means in every platform you can work. Okay.
Yes.
These are the different libraries we have: graphic user interface, web framework, multimedia, database, text framework, automation, web scraping means you have to get only the some content of the web page. Okay, IoT.
Okay, sir.
So
Yeah.
it has the huge number of library. Okay,
Yes.
then it is your learning path. First, you have to understand about your Python basic
Basics of
GUI
Python.
app in Python. So now combinedly, it is called as your what you can say it is a advanced Python, web app in
Yeah.
Python, Python for data science, Python for IoT, Python for artificial intelligence and machine learning, big data analytic
Yes,
with
sir.
Python. Okay, so
Yeah.
now this data science part, artificial intelligence, machine learning, and your deep learning is so much popular. Okay, but for that you have the knowledge about Python basics, like Core Python.
Yes.
Okay,
Yes.
these are the different tools available in data science part: Pandas, SciPy,
Right.
scikit-learn, NumPy, Matplotlib. Matplotlib basically it is used to show the graphics where, like, if you open the COVID-19.org, that is showing you where the dense COVID patients are present,
Yeah.
and it is basically it is used uh, by you using of Rapido and Ola driver, where they can know that where the lot of customers has present. Okay,
Yes.
Cburn is a property for data analysis part. Okay, so these are the different
Yes.
tools that we are using for the data analysis. Okay,
Yes.
so these are the total introductory part up in the Python.
Yes, sir.
Any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay, I hope I am able to explain it properly. Okay, okay, so in the next class we have to move. Okay, 4:30 we start with the
Okay, sir.
Python. Okay,
Sir, IoT full form?
at Internet of Thing.
IoT.
Internet of Thing.
Yeah.
Your mobile is a Internet of Thing. Bluetooth
Yeah.
Internet of Thing.
Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah. I
where
understand.
your internet is available, that is Internet of Thing.
Yeah.
Okay, I
Yes.
forgot your name. What is your name?
Shibani.
Even I will save it. Okay,
Yeah.
I save it in the Suban system. Okay, sir.
It's okay, sir.
Okay, so tomorrow we'll meet. Okay, 4:30. Okay.
Sir, there is any other online material which I prepared today?
That thing I will give you. This part I will give you in the PDF format. Okay, and daily basis I am
Okay.
giving you the materials. Okay, course materials.
Okay, sir.
Okay,
Yeah. Yeah.
right. Bye bye.
Thank you, sir. Bye.